Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Mr. Yurko here with a quick video on showing you how to turn your simple wheels, your simple basic wheels that look like this one, into the fancy dancy wheel that we just had a second ago. Where the heck did it go? And the cool and fancy wheels we have here. So in order to do this, we're going to go ahead and start with our basic wheel, which you created from this simple sketch. So we created the simple sketch of our wheel with an axis and a profile. We revolve that in order to produce this rather simple wheel. We're going to go ahead and make this into a good looking spoked wheel. In order to do that, all we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a sketch on the front of this wheel. Actually, we're going to create it right on this sketch plane right here. On the inside surface. So this allows us to sketch onto the face of that revolved wheel. And then we're going to go ahead and sketch any shape we want to serve as our spokes. It can be circles, lines, rectangles, any combination of the above. So go ahead. The only thing I have found is that splines don't work very well. So go ahead and stick to the basic tools, the circles, arcs, lines, and such. Go ahead and draw the shape that you want to serve as your wheel profile or your spoke profile. Any shape, again, any shape will do, doesn't really matter. And then once you've created that shape, or if you want to do a set of shapes, you can do that. So pick yourself a couple of lines, trim things out, go ahead and trim things out. That's it. Go ahead and create that profile, that shape. And then we're going to select that outline, make sure all outlines are selected. And we're going to go ahead and apply what's called a circular pattern to it. And from the circular pattern tool, we can tell how many of them we want by just changing the number from 3, 2, 1, however many different, 5, whatever we want. 5, enter. That's too many. 4, enter. That looks pretty good. Set as a click. Hit the finish button. And then go ahead and extrude the shapes that you want to cut away. Make that a remove. And there you have a spoked wheel. Add a tire onto the system. We're going to go ahead and create a sketch on our plane. We're going to turn our planes back on. In this case, we're going to click it on our front plane because that's the plane that runs through the center. So we're going to click on the front plane. You might have to do it on the right plane, right or top plane, depending on how you drew your original sketch. Create that sketch on there. And we're going to go ahead and draw that tire. Draw that tire any way you want to draw that tire. I'm just going to draw the profile of what the tread's going to look like. And close that up. So once you have that profile drawn, make it as big, small, pretty, little, pretty, ugly, whatever you want to make. Tweak it till you're happy with it. Hit that finish button. That makes our tire. And now, just like before, we're going to use the revolve tool. Identify the area that we want to serve as the profile. And we're going to pick the revolve axis. This time, we're just going to pick the whole wheel. We're going to make that as a new part so that it doesn't become merged with the original wheel. And there you have it. There is my fancy new wheel, complete with tire and spokes. So, as always, be creative and don't forget to be awesome.